Hello there, YouTubers. Today we're going to be learning how to work with Zoom. We have one of our clients that have requested us for a small tutorial on how to work with Zoom. So we'll put together a quick tutorial on how to do that, and hopefully that will be useful for anybody else that wants to use Zoom as part of their business. So Zoom is a great tool that allows us to share screens. We do a ton of meetings through Zoom. It allows us to also control somebody else's screen if the client gives us permission to do so. This way we can get updates and changes to any web development work that we're doing or graphic design fairly quickly, and it's a very interactive tool. So first off, you'll need to download Zoom to your computer. Free option, there's a free Zoom. Free Zoom allows you to have 40 minutes of talk time. After that, they're going to shut off that communication. But if you can fit your stuff in 40 minutes, that's perfect. With our work, we have a premium plan because we do a lot of communication through Zoom. So that's why we have a premium plan. It allows us to have unlimited time on our conference calls. Another thing is that it's not a sponsored video. All of our Zoom stuff is done because it's part of the business that we run, so not sponsored by any means. So first off, to get started, you'll need to go to Zoom, and once you've downloaded Zoom, to download Zoom, just go to Google, click download Zoom, google.com, download Zoom. Then you'll have pretty much the first link. Click on that, you'll be able to download the Zoom call. You also need a person that you'll be communicating with. That will be your coworker or your client. In this case, it's going to be our one of our graphic designers, but you can imagine that, let's imagine in this case that it's a client. So once you downloaded Zoom, you launch the Zoom, you'll have a screen like this. In here you can actually schedule. If you click on the home button, you can schedule a meeting with the client. So you can specify time and attendees, email of a person that will be joining the call. In this case, we don't need that because we are doing a Zoom session right now. So to do a Zoom session right now, we're going to click New Meeting link right here, and then the video is not going to work because I'm using my screen recorder here to make video. So that's fine. We're just going to use audio. And over here on the participants tab, we're going to go up here, and then we're going to copy invite link. And then we're going to have an email of a client. Please join the Zoom call. And we're just going to paste the link here. Please join the Zoom call in process right now by clicking this link. Okay. And then we'll make this link active by clicking this button right here. Send. All right, so let's wait for it to be sent. And I did call my graphic designer to tell her, hey, the link is there. Just watch out for an email and join as soon as you get that email. So we're going to be waiting for a person to join. As you can see here, participants 1. There's only one participant. I'm going to click on this button here. I'm going to bring up the navigation menu. On the right hand side, there we go, you can see that Anna has just, she asks to join. So we're going to admit her, and she's joining now. Okay, so. Hello, Anna, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, great, wonderful. Thank you for joining our Zoom call, our mock Zoom session. We don't see you, but that's fine. I'm going to ask you to share your screen. For that, I'm going to click this button here, and I'm going to select this option. Multiple participants can share simultaneously. That's very important. And then I will ask Anna to share screen. So Anna, can you share your screen?
Yes.
So you'll need to click the green button here. Then Anna already knows how to do that. And we can see her screen right here. And in this case, since she has her screen open, we're going to go to whatever website that we want to. Actually, you know what? I'm going to request control over her computer. I'm going to click this button, View Options, Request Remote Control, and then I'm going to click Request button. So Anna, can you please approve the remote control request?
Just a second.
Okay, great. So we have control over Anna's computer now, and then we can go to whatever tabs we want to. Let's go to let's say to Active Campaign, for example. Doesn't matter which. And I think
it's just different monitor.
So she has it on a different monitor, so that is something to watch out for. If she has it on a different monitor, it's important that we bring all of the stuff to the right screen. Sometimes people have like 2 or 3 monitors. Make sure that the stuff is on that specific screen where you're sharing. And let's go to our website. Let's go to Webeka. Going to change the type.
Do you need to change the language?
Yes, can you change the language?
Just a second. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Thank you. Webeka.com. All right. And let's say we need Anna to review some kind of legal document here. I'm going to go to Terms of Service, and then she would review some kind of legal document. And let's say we need Anna to sign something. In this case, we're going to use this form as an example. So I would say, Anna, can you please fill out the fields in this form?
Right now?
Yep. Can you fill out a couple of fields there,
Yeah.
just as an example? Okay, so that's good. So let's say Anna has filled out all of the stuff that she needed to fill out. And then the final thing is that I'm going to give up remote control. Once she completes everything, she would click submit button, for example. If you can, and if you can click submit button, just so that we can finish this test. Okay, so yeah, looks like she hasn't filled out the. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You didn't fill out the spam prevention, and email is mandatory as well, but that's fine. This is just an example, and I'm going to click exit, give up remote control. So we're giving up remote control. Now I will not be able to control her screen anymore. And I'm going to also stop her screen sharing, so we can stop participant sharing. So this way we're not sharing the screen. She's not sharing the screen anymore. And now I'm actually going to go and show you how Anna would see it from her side. Let's say if Anna was an administrator and she needed to do something on my computer. In that case, I would click the button share screen on my side. This is where I would select the screen that I want to share. I have 3 screens, so it's important that I share the right screen, which is the 3rd screen. You can see that there's a small number 3, and I have the same number 3 on that screen. I have 2 more screens on my computer, so I'm going to share this one. So Anna, can you see my screen?
Yeah,
okay.
I can.
Wonderful, wonderful. So she can see my screen, and in this case, let's say I needed her to fill out some documents. I would go to webeka.com. we would go to contact page, for example, or whatever website you need to go to. And then let's say she needed to fill out this form. I would say, Anna, can you please request remote control?
Yes. How to do this?
Okay, so if you hover over at the top, you will see a drop-down menu.
Mm-hmm.
And then request remote control.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Anna is asking us for the control. I'm going to click approve. And can you fill out the form, Anna?
Yeah, just a second.
Mm-hmm. So there we go. You can see that I'm not touching my screen. Anna is using my she's working on my computer, and she's actually filling out the form herself right here. All right, so I'm going to stop her control over the screen. Remote control. Actually, I cannot see this navigation menu because it's on my other side. Yeah, here, remote control. And then we're going to click stop remote control. This way I'm stopping Anna's control over the screen. And now I'm back in control over my computer, over my screen. And that's pretty much how we work with this. Now that we have finished this session, let's say she has completed all of the things that she needed to complete, we're going to click the button stop sharing. So we're stop sharing the screens, and now me and Anna can communicate. If Anna's camera was working, I would see her here, and if my camera was working because I'm using this camera for video recording, then she would be able to see me as well. And that's pretty much all that there is to it. So Anna, thank you very much for your time. We have completed this meeting, and I'm going to end the session by clicking an end button.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So we're clicking end meeting for all. That's going to end our Zoom meeting. And hopefully at this time you have been able to complete whatever documents that you have needed to in order for whatever business deal that you're working on to process. Alright, so that's a quick tutorial on how to use Zoom meeting and how to extend its functionality to be able to share screens and actually be able to control somebody else's screen from your computer. Hopefully that was useful. Thanks, take care, bye.